Yo, 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 what is up, guys? Welcome back to another... Hold on a second. Forgot we got to pull up Trade Sinker. Okay. Welcome back, guys. All right, everything good. Good. Yo, what's good, Sid? What's good, y'all? Here we go. All right, hold on a second, guys. What's good? What's good? Why is my shit lagging? Hold on a second. What's going on? Hold on a second. Okay. Oh my god, why is my computer lagging? So you on Top Step Live today? Appreciate you, brother. Hold on a second, dude. All right. All right, we're good now. My computer just had to throw up. Let's pull up everything here. Yes, guys, welcome back to another stream. You guys said, caught me on Top Step. Yeah, I got my ass handed to me on Top Step on live in front of thousands of people. Ouch. No, it's just, I kept looking for longs. This fucking market will not show upside. Kind of tough, honestly. All right, we are good to go now. Here we go. All right, so we have the, this is the copy trader here. Shows the P&L, all that goody stuff. Trading A accounts separately. No, this is going to be copy traded. Yeah. Copy traded accounts. It's been it was a tough session. Looking for dip buys out of the open, and they kind of did work. I mean, you didn't get a retest of pre-market highs, but like they did get, like if you were patient and bought the lows, like you did get 50 points of upside here, 50 points of upside here. It's just like, don't try to hold it and look for the high. It's just tough. Taking my interest too high, just tough. I really thought, man, kind of opening out of the all-time highs, like, okay, let's get a micro pullback, and then, you know, we're gonna go push it. But just not reading it well. Didn't read it well today. It happens, though. That's trading, right? Some days you have better reads on the market, some days you don't. I think on days you don't have a great read on the market, probably adjust your sizing. Say, okay, I'm not really on the right side of the market. My reads are off. My entries are off. Like, probably size down is the right answer. And that's just, it's a constant thing of like trying to improve. So that is what it is. What copy trader do you use? Trade Sinker. Trade Sinker. Man, we're an equal low here at 920s. Low days 900. It's like, do we hold this range? The pullbacks have just been brutal, man. Just brutal pullbacks. Living all together on a house built with his own hands. But yeah, that's the sitch, boys. That's the sitch. I really would, I mean, at this point, like, can we see low of day? Rejection of 24s there. 970s rejects here. To a little pin bar, lower high, then maybe fade red and break low day. I'm not going to sell this market. It's just not the right thing to do. But being patient with a dip entry seems like the right idea. At this point, man, testing these 920s again, that's a big task for buyers to hold this level. When another 20 points, we slip and we're into new low day. And if we do go into new low day, I don't really think these markets are going to like free fall per se. But maybe we can take some of these overnight lows out and bounce from there. For me, it's really just looking for areas that we can bounce from. That's what I want to see. We have levels here at 870s, 880s, and some of these overnight lows if we want to hold. But that's within context of us actually breaking low a day, which, I mean, the trend doesn't say we will, but this market structure is kind of ugly here. Equal low here, continue to reject high 900s. We will see. We will see. But yeah, kind of got my ass handed to me today on my live account. That trade I took at the end of fast markets was an L. Got stopped out of it. Was trying to size into a breakout trade. This market just won't break out. So that's my live account today. Kind of rough. It's what it is. Very, very, very choppy day. I really just want to see like a micro pullback and then go higher. But now look. 2 red candles on the hourly, an equal low at 23. Some of these overnight lows are down there, high 800s. I really wouldn't think we'd get that low, but anything can happen. Anything can happen. Go back to Mars Strong. Yeah, well, we've got some fresh XFAs to, some fresh evals to trade. So we're done with the live account, but we do have some fresh evals to trade. New account, new mindset. I'm just kind of, reset a little bit. I don't think I really did anything wrong in the session. Just kind of, the entries weren't premium enough. The entries were not premium enough. Like I was buying here for like a breakout trade that we just didn't get. I was buying here for a breakout trade that we just didn't get, So it kind of got cut up today, but it is what it is. We'll be patient. Did you blow the live account? Yeah, I blew the live account. Totally blew it. I keep seeing people say that bro's gonna blow his live account. Guys, do you realize that's not really possible? Use Apex and Top Step? Dude, I've got 2 Apex accounts, but I don't know, man. I don't have a good feeling about getting a payout from them. I don't have a good feeling about it. They have a lot of rules. Although, we do need some other eval accounts to trade. Like, is there any other prop firms I should use? How was trade day? Trade day's solid. I don't think, trade day's solid. We're $700 in profit from the trade that we took on stream yesterday. Only thing I think with trade day, if you want to copy trade, they want you to have trade day be the lead account. So that's the lead account, which I actually need to make sure I'm on the right account, and I am. Yeah, Apex is pretty complicated, no lie. Alpha, I mean, there's Alpha. I know Alpha has certain rules against DCAing. I don't know. I wish there was just prop firms that just weren't a pain in the ass. That just had very basic. Why can't there be Top Step or Tradeify or MyFund? Why can't all of them be like that? Like, no hassle, give me my payout. Although, I did request a payout from Tradeify that they said is approved and sent, and I still haven't gotten it. I will say that. They told me to put it in support ticket. I requested it on the 5th, and it's now been 3 business days, and I still haven't gotten it. Let me check. Sure, it's fine, but it's just interesting how it usually doesn't take that long. I've never had it take that long. All right, we're breaking 920s here. The low of days down there at 900. They take long? Do they take long? Are they taking long right now? Because, yeah, I requested a payout. I requested a payout on the 4th, and I received it the 5th, and then I requested another payout on the 5th, and now it's the 10th, and I still haven't gotten it. I don't know. Hey, 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 hey! You're trying to show my fucking IP address, man. Little bastard. It's because I'm on my Apex accounts on my phone. That's why. Alright. Okay, we're good. FGMO, isn't that a Forex thing? Dude, Top Step's so easy. Tradeify's easy. I'm about to have a live account with Tradeify any day now. Probably by the end of this week or the next week. I only have one more payout to go. Got mine day of. Yeah, usually I get them quick, man. Usually I get them quick, but they're taking a minute with this last payout. Maybe I should put in a support ticket. Oh, you said requested mine Friday, didn't get it till next Thursday? Wait, what holiday are you talking about? Are you talking about this most recent Friday? Well, no, that couldn't be the case because it's not been Thursday yet. I've been waiting for a little bit, man, for my payout here. I'm a patient guy, but I have been waiting for a little bit. I keep scrolling on this thing to see. Oh, that says Brandon. That's not me. Wait, that's a live payout feed. Payout feed. I keep checking this to see, like, I don't know. Maybe I should do a support ticket. How do you do a support ticket, anyhow? I never understood how you do the support ticket. Does anybody know how to do a support ticket? Oh, wow, big dump. Yeah, it's been a hard day for longs. It's been a hard day. All right, let's see if we break session lows at 893, 892, 893. Messages. Like where? I'm a boomer, dude. I don't know how to work. All right, help center bottom right. If you do see the icon, turn off my ad blockers you might have installed. This? Messages? Up 11K? Nice, dude. No, this is AI, bro. I don't need AI. A message box in the bottom right. Bro, I'm telling you, I don't see it. Did you went on top step? Yeah, I was on this morning. All right. We held low of day. 904 got a bounce. This is a nice pushback into 920s. Do we hold session lows from here? I kind of want to put a trade on. I'm gonna put a trade on with a stop at 900 here. Is the trade sinker linked up? Yes. Okay. Looking for this to hold session lows and move back to 24,000. Where was I? Oh, that seems like a great fucking entry, right? Beautiful. Where was I? No response. The issue is I don't even know how to actually talk to support. Chat. The message icon. Right here. I'm here. The AI is ghosting me. They replied 1 to 2 hours, like a real person or an AI? Wow, this entry looks just top tier right here, guys. Top tier entry. What a top tier entry. Well, if we test 905 again, I'm just going to wait for a low day break and then we'll start to build another long position. But I'd rather just let it clear 890s at that point. But if we hold 920s, I might try to add into it. Nice long trade on Top Step. Are you being sarcastic? You must be. And so have I. Show your cats. They don't like me. I'm getting ghosted by Tradeify AI. What a slow bleed today. Just lower highs, lower highs. We just cannot catch an upside break. I feel like every time the market's open at all-time highs, we just fade, man. We totally fade. Okay, I added another 5. Trying to size into this breakout. Where was I? Yeah, I don't know. There's not responding. Where I come from, it's cornbread and chicken. All right. I guess we're going to wait for Tradeify to respond. Called the AMD pattern on London lows. Long 911s here up at the 4-hour demand. It's still good for longs here. Anything just under all-time highs is good for longs in my opinion. If we get the follow through is the question. This thing's a pain in the ass right now. I don't know how to create a support ticket, man. Just let me talk to somebody. I hate when they do that. I have no idea how to create a supported ticket, man. Too old for that. Too old for that. How do you create a support ticket, man? Should get some country music. The live will get banned. I'm listening to country music, but the live will get banned if I put it on. Holy shit, bro. If we don't break fucking 30s, I'm going to lose my mind. What a piece of shit market. We're putting in a lower high, and we're seeing a lower high. We're seeing exhaustion in the 20s. If this puts in a lower high and sells through 900, I'm simply going to snap. Let's send this message. I don't know how to open a support ticket, man. I have no idea how to do a support ticket. I'm too old for that. I know, guys. There's no music. If y'all send me a playlist of like something I can play where I'm not going to get copyright striked. This is pathetic. We can't even break 930s. This is the most pathetic thing. I'll sing for y'all. This shit's pathetic. I definitely regret it. Nasdaq's pathetic. I definitely regret it. Trading this PA is some BS. Go to the following link and follow prompts on the bottom right and ask for live support. Clicker, submit support to the bottom right corner. Didn't I just do that? Didn't I just do that? What did he say? Hold on. On the bottom right, ask for live support. Oh, I need to ask for live support on messages. I guess this is right, but they haven't given me a support number. Dude, this might be the worst price action I've ever seen. This is pathetic. It's time to go. I don't have an email from them either. I don't know what's going on. The short bias? Yeah. Well, even that, I probably still would have gotten faked out on because, like, these pushes to the upside were convincing. So, I mean, even then, I probably still would have gotten faked out. Just tough, bro. This is looking dead, like a dead, totally a dead, just totally pathetic buying reaction off 920. This looks horrible. I mean, this looks horrible. There's just no buyers here at 920s. Like, this should be... This is 30 minutes of just sideways off of low 900s. Like, this isn't strong. Yeah, I've got no verification email at all. No! What's making this kind of price action? Nothing in particular. It's just sometimes the market trades like this. Could be because CPI, I guess. What a thing. Say their brows and spread their wings. Yep, it's pretty fucked. Suddenly there's not bearish. They're not like selling off by any means. There's in a very wide 100-point range, but I mean, this is where you want to see buyers like step in here. Buyers should want to step in here. If this is high day still in play, that is. It's just a slow bleed down to the right. What's my Tradeovate username? One sec. Guys, I think we wait for a sweep of 900. What do y'all think? Do I pull this order? I'm pulling the fucking order. I'm down 200 on the session, guys. This looks like shit. I'm pulling the order. I'll wait for 900s to break. I'm not dealing with that. Okay, let's do this. Fresh board swing. We're just gonna wait. All right, so down 200 across 8 accounts right now. We just this is just not what I want to see off of 900s. It's very weak buying right now. Continue to put in lower highs. Session low is 890s. I don't know. Maybe we need to sweep that low to spark some type of buying interest. It's not it right now, chat. Not it at all. Not it at all right now. Just gonna wait. There will be more opportunity. Living on love. I know you know it a lot, but can you just do a quick breakdown what you're looking for when trying to enter reversal? Well, it's usually a mixture of market structure and weak momentum selling candles and how levels are reacting. For me, though, pulling into this session low off the back end of continued resistance to the upside and lower highs being put in behind this move, this kind of feels like a breakthrough. Session lows at 892. I'm not going to sell it because, once again, the market's in an uptrend. I really don't want to be selling it. So I'll just simply wait to see if we can break under 890s, 880s, and see if we can hold some of this structure that we put in the overnight session. I suppose we could do a double bottom here, but it's just not inspiring. The buying is very, very weak right now. Just kind of hanging out 10 points above low day. Do I try it again? No, look at that wick being left at 917. Double bottom? Yeah, we're trying to put in a double bottom. We'll see if it can break back above 920. It's not, I mean, this market's definitely not free falling, but it's a little frustrating. It's just a slow bleed down. I wanted to play. Y'all think we can get away with a little bit of music? Don't tell YouTube. Filled 908 on the double bottom. Sure hope it holds. It's another rejection off of 917. This is just... They've done this a couple times where they open it at all-time highs. I think a lot of buyers are like trying to take any dips, and then it just slowly bleeds lower. Really annoying. It's really annoying. Really annoying. Goes my act of playing it cool. 894 session lows. We're literally 10 points off. I wanted to play. I mean, it would be a great day to trap buyers all day, I guess, right? I mean, if you look at it from that perspective, this is a little frustrating. A little frustrating. What's gold up to, man? What is gold up to? Not much. Think we go to 850s? I mean, if we break 900s here, we could. We have some levels at like the 870s I'd like to see hold, but We're selling. I mean, we're fucking selling. We get a 3-bar reversal on NQ. It just doesn't look good. It just doesn't look good. I can never catch the all-time high trade, damn it. I can never catch it. I can never catch the all-time high trade. Why is that? Why do y'all think that is? It's almost impossible. It's almost impossible. Check out ES. Is ES looking horrible? Oh my god. Oh my god. It looks like the end of the world up here. It's frustrating. It almost feels like every time we take all-time highs, if you just be patient and kind of wait for like an overextension, just fucking sell it and you'll get a great trade back to the downside. I mean, even this level, like this is all-time high here. And then so we take it, get an overextension, and then we have a massive sell-off. It's like every single time. Look here. We take the all-time highs here, right? Okay, we didn't break it here. Okay, come up, break it. Massive sell-off. Come up, break that previous high. Massive sell-off. Come up, break that previous high. Like, can't we break the high and then kind of keep going? No, I guess not. This market's brutal, man. It's like strong but not strong, it almost feels like. Piece of junk. Piece of junk. You can do anything! I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you. This looks like dog ass. Dog ass. Dog ash. Dog ash. I would say the intraday selling is, as of now, and maybe it's because we just haven't snapped that 895. It's pretty limited. It's a slow bleed, but there's definitely been swings back to the upside to play. It's just man, it's like, do we not take the session lows right here? You can't convince me we're not gonna take the session lows right here, right? This structure on the hourly, I usually would stay away from. I really would. Kind of have like a tweezer top and just a series of lower high wicks on the hourly. And then now we have this red candle that is kind of toying with a very bearish close into support at 880s. So it's not something I would typically want to touch until we clear this low, to be honest with you. It's very bearish, actually. If you only look at this, it's very bearish. Y'all agree or disagree? Long traps whole day. Yep, I think so, man. I think it's a long trap all day. Keeps making us think we might get a break higher, and then just fades. Hey, appreciate that, Julian. Do you really want to sell this low? Definitely not going to sell this low. No. So kind of just on standby. We're on the sideline. Chin strap is on. Helmet's on. You know, ready to get into the game. You're ready to get into the game. Coach doesn't need me yet, though. Ready to bang a 70-yarder. Coach doesn't need me yet, though. I signed with the 49ers. I'm their new kicker. Ready to bang a 70-yarder here. Man, did you see all those NFL kickers just janking shots week 1? That 49ers kicker got cut. Moody got cut. Totally cut. I lost 2 accounts today. Oh man, what accounts did you lose, bro? Like funded accounts? That's not fun. I liked the way I traded this morning as like a breakout trade setup. We just didn't. If we got the breakout trade, I would have been sized in really nicely, and it would have been an awesome trade. But we simply never did. Can't really do anything about it. We're going to try to hold low of day here. Lost 4 combines, 1 XFA, 1 TVT. Ugh, sorry, man. I was top step TVT, catching these setups. I was looking for longs the entire session, just kept getting killed. Kept getting killed. Got killed in this range. Didn't execute well on like the actual dip buy. Like I kept getting stopped out. Trying to buy that dip. Just really was off, to be honest with you. It was off today. And that happens. Sometimes you're just off, you know? Sometimes you're just off. I'm going to look for a quick push back into like 920s here. Yep, sometimes you just have an off day. I had an off day today. I was too optimistic about a breakout back to the upside because honestly it looks really good. Like breakout to the upside looked really good today. It just simply didn't do it. And I feel like that's kind of a coin toss. You get the trade, you know, we break higher there, it's a great trade. If we don't, we don't. I mean, can't control it. All I can do is trade the structure, and the structure was looking bullish to me. Kind of sell off, okay, swept the lows of that PPI candle. Had a nice recovery, nice reversal back into this imbalance and kind of consolidated really well for like a long time. So I was like, okay, 20, 30 point range to the upside. Let's get long here and look for that move. And we just simply didn't. Can't do nothing about it. Can't do nothing about it. I wonder if these 900s kind of hold for like a little bit of time, and we can maybe take a couple longs off 900 and keep getting out. Like, do we range here like low 900s before ultimately trying to get a breakout back to 930s? I wonder. Current high is 914. Of a neon moon. Maybe now we swept low. Yeah, we're like right off a low a day. It's a little tricky. Kind of make or break right here. Do I need to cut you? Oh my goodness. I mean, watching these candles is like, ugh, yeah, so yucky sometimes. How we reject so hard. Like, it's very quick. I know I'm looking at the 1 minute, but I mean, damn. 914 to 911, no hesitation, just instant wick off. It's just kind of gross. You just can't fight through these levels clean. And instantly selling back down to 911 is disgusting. Flat top at 914 here. Still struggling. Wow. Need to flip green, push 14s. Look at this. We're putting a lower high at 915 until we can break it. I mean, look at this. We have to go here or I'm cutting it. I'll cut it early if I need to. Just re-enter. Here we go, 915s. What's it look like? Can we get 920, please? What is that you're using? This is called Trade Sinker. It's actually a copy trader. Look at that 923. Uh-huh. Look at that. I feel like it's going to fade the whole thing again. I mean, that's been the theme. We see nice looking moves. It looks good. And then all day, we've seen things moves just like this that instantly get sold off. I'm hesitant to say the least. And it's all we've seen today is moves that really start to look good. Okay, got some volume to the upside, testing highs, and then we just sell. It's literally happened so many times today. And look at this. It's literally happened so many times today. Trying to be patient, let it work, but man. Mano. 16, 15, I'm fucking out of it. Oh, boys. This is a tough day, I'm not gonna lie. It's such a tough day. Nothing's holding. Nothing's holding. Nothing holding at all. I'd be baffled if this holds. It's showing it doesn't want to hold. We'll see. I'm gonna be a little bit patient. I think we can keep fishing lows on the session and selling the pops, but I'm not gonna hold that. That's just so ugly. I mean, it just completely took back all of it. It might go here, but I don't regret getting out of it. This should look a lot stronger off this low than it does. No regrets. I really didn't like the way that looked. I really did not like the way that looked. I might be wrong, but I really don't. I don't regret it, to be honest. Trying to limit my downside risk. I really did not like that. Feels like you're forcing a trade. I don't think I'm forcing a trade. Anyways, $100 on that trade. We will be patient. Wait for another setup. Yeah, it's called Trade Sinker, man. It's called Trade Sinker. Hey, sweetie. What are you doing?
I have an idea.
What, baby?
Should I take my extensions out because they're so grown out? I just need pliers, and I loosened one and it started to slide out. But like I can just have natural hair for a couple days.
Okay.
Just to like see it.
Don't break them. Well, don't break them.
No, but like once I take them out, I'm not gonna know how to put them in.
Nope.
But my hair appointment is in like a couple days, so should I just rock like short hair for a couple days?
Yeah, do it.
I want to see what it feels like without it.
Do it. But don't pull your hair out.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do it.
I'm gonna record it for Snapchat.
Okay.
Okay.
Write this down. Remember what I forgot to say. Y'all saying long? I still don't like it. Oh, we'll see. Take a little note. Looks like we scalping all day. That's probably the vibe, to be honest. It's probably the vibe. Scalp. Scalp the levels. Scalp the levels. My long trade that I was in is ultimately working out, but I really did not like the 24 to 12 rejection. That felt like we could immediately sell into 900s. We'll see. It's not like we can't get back in. We're at the bar. Still feels so sketchy, I'm not gonna lie. Like, they'll let it go a little bit, then really heavy selling. Really heavy selling back down. Very sketch zone. What's good, Fade? It's sketchy, isn't it, bro? That's what I've been saying. It's sketchy as hell. Like, it's sketchy as hell. That's oh my god. There goes 940s on a wick, like, quickly. Sketchy, though, still. Definitely sketch. TP2 hit. Nice, dude. Nice. 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 Real mix sketchy. Two old boys will do. If we leave a wick out above 30s, do I want to like try a very small short? I would be open to it. Back into 900. I'm gonna try that actually. Try a small 3 micro short trade back into 900s. See if we can complete this bearish rollover on the hourly. Smaller trade. I might not hold it to full TP. We'll see. We'll see. I need to break 30s here with volume would be awesome. There goes 30s. That looks good. Nice. Boom! Boom, boom, boom! 3 big booms! 3! Big! Booms! ES flying up. No cap? Let me be the judge of that. Yeah. I don't know, man. I don't know, chat. NQ was holding better than ES a little bit earlier in the session. Now it's the opposite. It's funny how they switch like that. Funny how they switch like that. Oh, boys. It's so stress-free just trading a couple micros, man. It's such a nice feeling. I'm not going to lie. Couple micros, no big deal. Talking 10, 20, 30 bucks. You know. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. So trade copy, it's called Trade Sinker. Chattahoochee. For the hair on my head to grow long in the back. My pickup truck, 'cause it sounds like a damn good time. We might get it here. 923 flash, looking flashy, very quick. It's very quick. I see the potential here. I do see the potential here. Oh, come on, break 23. Back up to 30s. This is horrible. Remind me not to look for too much follow through on this trade, because we might not get it. Nice. Nice 920s here. What's a trade copy or trade sinker? What's the P&L now? Right here. Oh, y'all can't really see it. It's $2,800 in the red. Pretty shitty price action. No follow through downside, no follow through upside. Said, is there no, I'm long again, looking for the breakthrough 30s. Is there no activation fee on TPT? No, there's no activation fee on TPT. I don't think there ever has been. So that's pretty cool. You got to stand for something. Oh, it's why the white screen, you can kill your eyes. It's not that bad. I like it. I like the white screen. Does it? Oh. I guess I could turn my screen brightness down a little bit. I don't use the Trade8 copier, man. I use Trade Sinker, which is good because you can copy your Trade8 accounts, but you can use Trading View. So I use Trade Sinker for that. I've never used the Trade8 copier ever. Yeah, it is cool. I mean, the only downside is the trailing drawdown, but I mean, you know, if you can get past that, you're solid. Oh, look, I did get a response from Tradeify. Nice. All right. Thanks for reaching out. How can I assist you today? Okay. Let's get this. 1 second, guys. Now you fall for anything. Uno momento. All right, what account did I request this payout on? All right. Come on, fucking NQ, do something, man. Hey, y'all going to the Renaissance Festival this year? Project X, yeah, I mean, it's good. Yeah, it's good. I feel like everybody loved it, and it's like, yeah, it's still good, but I mean, I still like my old trading view a little bit, to be honest. This is some bullshit here, chat. What does it start to look like on the hourly? Ugly ass hourly. Nice wick there off 40s. I wonder if that's gonna be that. Wonder if that's gonna be like that last wick off that lower high that dumps it through the equalos on the hourly here. But man, don't fight the trend, they say, right? We just can't do a fucking thing here in this market. This is rough, man. It's like the weakest, strongest market I've ever seen. The weakest, strongest market I've ever seen. Yeah, I'm feeling that. I mean, I feel like if we test 9.8, I feel like if we test like low 900s again, it's gonna be, it's over at that point, right? Like, how many retests do we need? We've had the 908 retest, we've had the 920 retest. We'll see. We will see. Trying to limit my risk as much as possible. I'm just trying to get in the position where this can see the upside, but God, it's so rough today. Just cannot find buyers. When it does, just gets completely shot down. You did push back to 930 now. And we're rejecting. We just keep fading. We just can't keep holding these low 900s without breaking, right? I might have to get out. I might have to get out here. If this candle rejects 25, 26 and goes back down, I'm getting out of it. I'm out. We'll try to get back in later. I need to be finding more premium entries because, like, I keep looking for the breakout, so I'm accepting a higher price fill, and it's just not it. All right, let's see. Wow, 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 wow. Trust it, bro? I don't trust it. For a good reason. Hourly's flipping red as well. Do we get a wick run into the equal lows at 890s? I don't know. I mean, I'm cutting it. It's simply not showing follow through to the upside, so I'm cutting it. It's looking like shit, as it has all day. Now it's flipping through 920s. I'm not going to leave a trade on if it's not showing that it's going to go. It's looking horrible right now. Looking horrible. Could put 5 minis into this market, flip a coin, and be up a pretty good chunk. Or be down a pretty good chunk. Ain't true. This looks like dog poop. 912s. Yeah, I mean, I'm thinking after we breach 920 and fell hold, this probably is going to run low day here. I'd be very surprised this doesn't run low day here. Which is like, that's kind of the move. Like, we don't hold 920s there. I need to be out of this trade because we're now at risk at running low day. Now at risk. I'm using you. 908. Might break 900s here. Let's see. This thing looks like dog po-po. I should have held that 930 short. We should break low day here. I'd be very surprised if we don't break low day here. If you're pretty. Oh shit! Dude, I reached out to Tradeify support and sure enough I got the payout. Why is it less? Why is the payout $2,600 instead of $2,800? Shouldn't it be $2,800? Look at this fucking bounce off at 906, son of a bitch. Why is it $2,600? Shouldn't it be 28? Why is trade if I stiffen my shit? Should it not be $2,800, not $2,600? There's low a day, chat. Piece of junk. 90-10 split. Well, it's a $3,000. It should be 2,800. I'm not trying to be like a little stickler, but like, where's my money? Where are my monies? You know? One second, guys. I'm not trying to be like that. But where my money? Oh, there's low day. Just give it away. Hold on. Hey, sweetie, 1 second, baby girl. 1 second. Let me take a look. Right in the middle of something, though.
You think my hairstylist will be like, WTF?
You took him out?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I mean, they were gonna come out regardless. But do you think, like, she'll be mad?
Why would she be mad?
I don't know. Oh my gosh, look.
Man. That's long. What's your original hair look like?
Well, I haven't brushed it out, but it's something like this.
I don't see why she would be mad, no.
It's all crazy.
It's not that short.
No, I think it's growing, but
Yeah. It's not that short.
I took it out. I took one strand.
Yeah. Yeah, they're trying to jip me, bro. 26. It should be 28 because it's a 3K payout, just like the rest of the payouts. Full love. Can't even give it away. Talking about, boy. Should be 3K, boy. All right. We got to seriously start looking at these markets, chat. What the hell's happening? Do we put in a smaller order for a longer hold time, assuming that we close above 900s here? You know, like, do we do that? This market's just looking like shit right now. Oh wow, we're really going. Do we start bidding eight? What a fucking day here. I mean, do we bid 860s with like 5 micros? Maybe we do this. I still want to dip my toes in this market. We've got some levels there. Can we take the overnight, some of the overnight lows? What a dog shit market, right? This feels like a low risk play. Start to add more orders the lower we go, right? Can we get that? Like, are we gonna get a big dump off here? Or a 76? What do y'all think of this setup here for a fill? What do y'all think about this buy order setup here? My buy orders get more aggressive the lower we go. Lower we go. Right? Probably stop out at 800 if we break 800. Look at this thing. Baptized by the fire and your touch and the flame in your eyes. Born to love again. I'm a brand new man. I saw the light. I've been baptized by the fire in your touch and the flame in your eyes. What a day, what a day, what a day. What a trap. I mean, trapped so many buyers today. With a slow move down. What'd they say about that payout being short? This is probably due to an error with your last payout. There is a 90-10 split, and it appears that they did not take an extra 100 from the last payout. Bullshit. Because you should have received 27 and not 28. So the payout you just received has been adjusted to the account for the $100 they did not take from the last payout. What? What are we talking about here, huh? Chat, anybody taking a 3K payout with TradeFi? Is this true? This is probably due to an error with your last payout. There's a 90-10 split, and it appears that they did not take an extra 100 from the last payout. What's a 10% split of 3,000? Because I can do math, bub. Oh yeah, sure enough. They overpaid me. Well, hey, man, you can't be... Don't send me extra money, though. You don't expect me to... Ugh. Yeah, they're right. They sent me too much money last time. Well, that's nice of them. Still pretty weak buying. Let's see. Let's see if we can get filled on some of these orders here. I mean, it's not a free-falling market. There's no doubt about it. And there's been a lot... All the sellouts we've seen have given us nice retracements to the upside to at least try to trade it back. But at the end of the day, intraday, it's been lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. We just broke session lows at 892. We got some overnight levels. If we flush them, God, I don't feel horrible having some buy orders in here, but Man, the sentiment today has just been so bearish. And I'm kind of looking for that to flip so that we can target the all-time highs, but I just don't know. I feel like those entries are disciplined and patient and premium. I wouldn't feel too bad about those getting filled. I think we'll see some green at least on that trade. But let's see if they get filled. What do y'all think? Who cares what I think? What do y'all think? If you went to a shop and had a 20% sale and they accidentally gave you 30% off, you go back, they give you 20% again, not 10. That's true, low-key. That's true. That's true. Should I complain about that? Should I complain about that? Okay, so I'm going to take my fourth payout. They say it's no guarantee you're going to go live. You're just going to be assessed to go live. Yo, what's good, Doom? What did I miss out on? Well, we're just trying to catch this low that just keeps dipping. Maybe here? I don't know. I don't feel horrible throwing a couple micros at this market. Long? I really want to get my orders filled, but I don't know if I'm going to get it. Just briefly broke. I still do like it. Oh, it's so tough. I just want a slight green day today. I don't want anything crazy. Well, we might attempt 900s here. This feels like a little bit of FOMO trying to get long. I'm not going to lie. This feels a little bit like FOMO. But I mean, it's not totally out of line of what we've seen today. Like, you know, we take these lows by, well, I guess it was a little bit deeper. We take these lows. We're getting bounce to the upside to play into. But this does feel like a little bit like FOMO. It looks good, but it feels a little bit like FOMO. What do y'all think? FOMO, no FOMO? Acceptable to get long? I feel like that's acceptable. It broke low of day and it's immediately reclaiming 900s. Still have, well, we have like tiered highs to target. We have 30s to 60s to 80s. It doesn't feel like a bad trade. It just doesn't. It doesn't. It feel, I don't know. There's maybe a little bit of FOMO involved, but it's mainly just because I didn't get filled. That doesn't mean it's not a good trade just because I didn't get my order filled. You know, made a 100% retrace. Yeah, we'll see how it looks at 900. It's a very slow move lower. It's kind of like a rangy move lower. Using TradeSync, yes. Look at that. Wick off at 903. Is this our pullback? I'm going to get long for a move back to 930s. That's the trade here for me. It doesn't feel bad. Doesn't feel bad. That's just my trade here. What is happening? Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I wanted to see if my orders would get filled. They didn't. It doesn't mean it's a bad trade. It just means, well, the entry has to be a little higher. That's all. What 50K account? 150K accounts are you using? I'm using 5 take profit trader 150Ks and 3 trade day 150K. These are all evals. I'm only trading these on live stream, so can't hide. Only trading them on live stream for y'all. No hiding here. So yeah, these are all going to be traded on live stream, and these are evals. And we are on day 3, and we're about $1,000 in the green on the take profit accounts, $600 in the green on the trade day accounts. So far so good. Man. What would Jimmy Buffett do? Yup. Yep. We'll keep the progress. We're only going to trade them on live. I could be sneaky and trade them off live, but I'm not going to do that. I ain't going to do that. Might buy this dip. Might double down on the position here. Might do that. All right, I added 5 more. Double the position now. Same stop. Added on the pullback. Let's see. Needs to run back up to 900s here. I really would like to see it start. Retesting that 910 level would look good. We've got a 20-point range up above 910s to fight back into 930s. We start testing that as an equal high. It could look good. Then we just have a couple levels to the upside. Got paid out already with trade day? No. These are eval accounts. They're not funded yet, so no, can't get a payout yet. Yeah, they have Trade Day Project X or Trade Evade accounts. I use the Project X. It's pretty good. I just wanted to trade. I wanted to copy trade it with this trade syncer, so I have Trade Evade accounts. They do have Project X though. So it's an own, so not no, they have Project X. Yeah, it's like called Trade Day Project X. Pretty solid. Cat drive. Nice. Want to see 900s break here. Clean. In my heart. Hey y'all, man, I would appreciate y'all like it up, bro. It doesn't hurt. I like how we have 35 already, and I didn't even have to ask. I do appreciate that. That means some of y'all are being, that's nice. Thank y'all for that. All right, let's see if we get the trade here, chat. The stream is delayed by 20 seconds. Okay, I'll fix it. I'll fix it next time. I want to buy me some dumbbells so I can do like some just basic workouts at home. If I can get like a pair of 40-pound dumbbells, I think that'd be solid. 40-pound dumbbells. Just do some basic curls and stuff. Well, they complain with day one payouts on the page. That looks sick. So would be way better with Top Step or even Tradeify. That's indeed worth it. And tries Tradeify still lagging with Project X release. They are solid, man. I've never gotten a payout with them, but they're solid. I mean, they're no bogus. I think they're in Chicago. They're like a real deal firm. And yeah, they've got the day one payouts. They're like a real deal firm. TBT is good. My Funded Future is good. Tradeify is good. Top Step's good. It's a couple good ones. Trade Day's one of them. Trade Day solid. Hey, sweetie. Let me see your hair.
I haven't styled it.
It's so short.
It's so short.
It doesn't look bad. It comes down to just below your shoulders.
I'm gonna style it, but it's so different than my extensions.
Does it feel better?
I keep wanting to like scratch and think I'm gonna feel them, but they're not there.
Does it at least feel a little bit better?
I feel bald.
Oh my.
It's so like light. It makes me feel like my hair's so thin. I don't know. Usually I've probably got a couple pounds on
Yeah.
my head.
Well, it'll feel good for a couple days to have it short.
That's what it looks like.
What are you gonna do with the extensions?
Keep them because I'm getting a new set.
You can give them to your sister.
You think she's gonna be mad?
You took them out. You think you can put them in her hair?
Or not?
Why would she be mad? Say I knew my appointment was coming up. I wanted to have I wanted my head to
I
feel.
know, but like usually I don't think you're supposed to.
Yeah, you are.
Like usually the client doesn't take out my hair.
You're fine.
But I just wanted to try it for a few days because I knew I can't go like a week because it'll drive me insane.
Yeah, you're fine.
It feels weird. I'm gonna straighten it.
Okay. What prop is this? This is 5 take profit trader accounts and 3 trade day accounts. I want to add some more, guys. What other firms should I use that have trade evade? Get the adjustable dumbbells. Good idea. Good idea. What other accounts should I get? Now and then, whippoorwill down a country road. Sunset low. Do I want to add another 5 here on the pullback? Try to build this position? I don't know. Maybe not. Trade is the best prop firm. Yeah, they're solid, I believe. They're solid. I haven't got too far with them, but I think they're pretty solid. Well, I'm looking at it. If this is a fucking another lower high, we are doomed. I mean, if this is another lower high, we're totally cooked, my man. Totally cooked. Bolinox? I was using Bolinox for a little bit. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think they're worth it. Those activation fees are insane. I mean, they're actually insane. Actually insane. I don't know how they get off on that. I think the activation fee is more than the max payout, bro. It's crazy. Trade copy. It's called Trade Sinker. on white bread now and then, and the sound of a whippoorwill down a country road. That sunset sinking low. If we can confirm buying off this 890s level, I would like and get a reaction back to 900. I'd like to go break even on that, to be honest. Confirm one more low test, and then we have to go. I mean, we have to go. Need 900s. Need 900s. Brutal, brutal, brutal price action, guys. Totally brutal. Fivers? Yeah, but that's 4x, isn't it? We're not really trading 4x. Yeah, that's 4x, guys. What y'all trading 4x for? I'm trading the British pound, mate. Trading the British pound against the New Zealand dollar. Trading the British pound against the Mexican peso. Trading the British pound against the Japanese yen. Crumpets. The British pound is bouncing off a demand zone, mate. Let's long it against the Canadian dollar. And while we're at it, let's short the Canadian dollar against the Aussie dollar. What is the most outrageous one there is? Wasn't there like what is like an exotic 4x pair? Isn't there like is there like a Jamaican? Is there like a What's the most exotic 4x pair? If I just pull up CAD, will it show up all the 4x pairs? CAD with JP CHF. What's one with CHF? Japanese yen. Hong Kong dollar. Singapore dollar. Norwegian krone. African rand. Yeah, the rand. The African rand. Indian rupee. 5 rupee. Stops at giving you any benefit. Define benefit. I mean, uncapped daily payouts. South African rand. Chilean peso. Vietnamese dong. I'm still looking at this market kind of bullshitting here. I mean, we're kind of putting in some highs that maybe we can go test if we can find buyers off 900s again. Other than that, this is It's like, don't hold for too long. Kind of like secure your profits above 900. Maybe I should have been securing profits because this is not the strongest structure, not going to lie. We keep seeing like just these pullbacks to 890s is unnecessary. It's totally unnecessary. What are we doing? It's bad, isn't it, Kai? I mean, it's horrible. It's disgusting. Like, what the... I almost want to say a cuss word, man. I almost want to say cuss word. Very close. I want to say the F word. This is disgusting, man. See if this low holds. 880s. We'll see. Finna say the F word, man. Finna find a market maker, man. And just lose it. It's a bad day to trade, I think, guys. It's just a bad day. I think this higher time frame sell through the overnight lows is still like in play, but man, it's doing it so slowly. Really, really bad. 84 has to hold here, otherwise it's cookied. Cookied. We're gonna break new lows here. Yep, gonna break new lows here. That looks rough. Be baffled if this holds. I'm actually going to pull the stop a little bit tighter. Retest of 80s looks like a sure break lower, so I'm going to kind of... Yeah, I'll drag it a little bit here. I mean, we got to find a surge of buying here. And for that reason, I feel like I can tighten the stop. Because, I mean, if we test 80s again, it's going. You know what I mean? It's going. Like, if we leave a wick here and come back down, we're going. Okay? So, for me, tightening the stop makes sense. 83 is a good spot. Yeah, dude, it makes me want to punch the screen a little bit. A little bit. It's a nice strong candle off 80s. See if it holds. That's the question. It's got to hold. It's not a great close. We'll see. That looks ugly. I think we go lower here. I think we go lower here, man. And lower and lower and lower. You never knew how much you knew what it meant to me. Tightening it up as much as possible. It's kind of make or break at this point. If we don't hold here, it's gone. Okay, so we're stopped out. Let's see. New low day. Get my ass kicked right now. 400 down on the day. Pretty frustrating. I mean, we had the trade. Like, you have a trade. It's just when you start to look for follow through, that's when it gets hard. Like, I had the 90s to 910s, but I just didn't cover it. It gets difficult trying to look for the follow through. That's the hard part. Lower high confirmed. Might try one more trade. If it doesn't work out, we got to keep the losses small and probably just call it a day, to be honest. Because this isn't doing anything here. No upside here. Woman like about a pickup man. All right, current low day 7-4. Let's see. Kind of expect to see a wick here somewhere in the high 80s, and then sell it back down through 70s. Be very surprised if that holds. Now that you're thinking about shorting, we'll go all the way up. Well, I'm definitely not going to short it, but I do think we clear this level at least. I do. What do y'all think, man? What do y'all think? Wow, we actually held. Held for a moment. Double bottom, yeah, it seems to be. I really thought we'd see 80s break right there on this. This candle looks so bad to me. We'll see. See what it looks like at 900. Trying to break 900s here. Get burned every time I try to go short. Yeah, no, it's hard. It's difficult. Don't short anymore. I mean, the markets just naturally go up, right? So like, not shorting is not a horrible way to go about it. I don't short often either. Proper, I'm salivating looking at this PA. Oh my gosh, especially the intraday firms. They're probably making a killing with all this chop. You try to look for any follow through, and it retraces back to your entry. I'm sure intraday accounts are going through it right now. Going through it. Oh my god, that doesn't look bad. No, that doesn't look bad. That looks pretty good. Good, baby. I'll be done in a little bit.
I'm just joking.
Okay. It's time for a good time. This is daily. Oh my god. Ugh. Wow. Oh, Ola Prime? Dude, I've never heard of that firm. I would try to use some of the better known firms first, man. Unless you can't, because you're not from the country permitted, I guess. I don't know. I would use a better firm than that. I've never heard of that. Never. Just gonna try to break through 890s to 910. Here you can see all prop firms working on Project X. Yeah, there's a lot of them, man. There's a lot of them. Tradeify is getting Project X. If you can wait a week, maybe you should go with them. So, we gotta have a pattern break. Like, we have to have an upside breakout here, and we just continue to put in lower highs, another lower high at the moment. See if it holds. And it kind of looks like it wants to. 890 open. Wow, into the 80s. Here we go. Let's see. They've been getting project. Yeah, they're getting project. Well, I don't know if in a week, but they did announce that they have the green light on it, so they're gonna come out with it some point soon. Probably next week, I guess. Never thought I'd ever really take it this far. Do I need TradingView to have Project X? No. No, it's implemented in the Project X platform. You don't need to have TradingView beforehand. Gonna get new low of days, and I'm really curious like what the volume looks like. Is it gonna be another low of day break where we have kind of a range that we can trade it back to the upside, or are we gonna like pick up some volume? On the hourly, kind of breaking through some major support levels here. The overnight lows. Let's take this off. And testing the lows again. Let's see. Do it, makes a thing and doing feel right. Didn't even know about TradeSync. Glad I came on here. Use that with TradingView. It's a better solution. It's solid. It can be, I guess, a little funky sometimes, but it's solid. All right, 74 is the low. We continue breaking lower and lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. There's been opportunities to trade it long on the dips, but if you tried to hold on to it and look for more, it didn't give you it. Look at this little, that might, maybe reversal candle at that 84. A little doji with a nice wick. I don't think on this retest we're actually going to hold, but let's see. I'm going to go to the restroom, then we'll be right back. We'll see. We might get a low day break here. BRB.
Friday nights, 3 sets, $10 a set. Hey, Jackson. Yeah. Seen a lot of guys come through here. You got some.
Okay, we had a little quick wick to 82. This doesn't look good, man. This doesn't look good to be buying. Equal low. So you have an equal low. The structure is telling us equal lows, right? We've had sellers attempt to break this price 1, 2, 3 times. This will be number 3. And as far as the upside strength, well, we continue to see lower highs. We had an attempt at 905 to break higher. And then the next price that buyers attempted was 900 or high 890s. Couldn't get it through. And now we're testing equal lows, which is low resistance liquidity. So every long trader that wants to trade this to the upside has their stops under the equal lows. And if we know that the buying is weakening up here in the lens of lower highs, well, this range is tightening up and we should get a snap through the lows here. If we know that there's suppressed buying back to the upside because we continue to have lower highs, and we're pushing into a low resistance liquidity level, triple bottom, kind of want to assume that we're going to break it lower. So I'm on standby. Try to buy the dip one more time. If I take another loss, I think we got to call it a day. Because I'm trying to trade it, well, in the direction of the trend, but the intraday sentiment is not bullish. I'm kind of looking for it to flip to bullish, but we're just not seeing it. So I will simply try to buy it one more time on this dip to look for quick scalp retracement. But if we don't win that trade, it's probably time to end it. Probably live to trade another day in that situation. So we'll see. Right? Everybody agree? Do we all agree? Just no way we're about to solve this triple bottom. There's no way we're about to solve this triple bottom. It's a nice candle, though, for what it's worth. Of a whippoorwill. Upon the hill, my love is short all-time highs every time we get it, damn it. It's that easy, damn it. Every time we get all-time highs, short the hell out of it. Essentially, it's got about 100% win rate so far. Every time we break all-time highs, let it clear by 100 to 200 points and sell that bitch. Think we get a 50-point flush? I mean, there could be some incentive for, yeah, like a harder flush to come into this market for sure. We haven't really seen like a breakaway sell-off day. It's been a slow bleed lower. But we'll see. We're kind of at a more of a key level here. And look at this lower high. Just lower highs all day. Wild stuff. All right, here we go. Let's see. I mean, shit, I almost want to take this fucking sell through the low day. Let's put 2 micros on it. What's the worst that could happen? Put 2 micros on it for a low day break. What's the worst that can happen, right? I don't have a lot of faith in I just don't like fading the all-time high market, but I will put in a little 2 micro trade. What's the worst that can happen? Pretty confident we break anyways. What's the worst that can happen? What's the worst that can happen, man? We could rocket 100 points, I guess, yeah. It's just a quick trade for like whatever the flush looks like under 70, so then I'll just take the profit off of it. Be baffled if this holds. Baffled. You'll reappear sitting right here with me. Should see some rejection low 80s and then sell through 70s here. You need AM? What is AM? This is meant to be a quick breakdown trade. I guess I'll have to cut it if we get back into the 90s. I'm out. I'm out. Quick loser on that one. Holding this triple bottom is crazy, crazy, crazy stuff. Here we go. Now we're getting it. All right, I'm adding for the breakthrough. Low day 74. Looking for a 74 break. I haven't broke yet. Trying to fucking buy back to 80s. What are we doing? Give him a second. It's meant to be a quick little flash trade through the lows. Okay, there's 74. Breaking into the 60s. Y'all in the chat were saying volume on the 70s break. Let's see. I mean, I could see that. I'm not going to take any like risk on this. Like I'm not going to hold this through a pullback into the 80s. It's not worth it. I wanted to see the flush on the break. Last chance. I'm out. No follow through. No follow through. 887 will fill. This is crazy. We broke, but like no follow through. I'll get long. Try to trade this as a range, I guess. No. I'll probably add in the 60s if I need to. Now it breaks. We just had to get a little 82 test. Okay. Stupid ash. Trying to trade this the same way that we... Well, let's see. Let's see what the 70s looks like. Probably add one more time. But if this trade didn't work out, we're done for the day here. Probably stop it out if we break 840s. Okay, I'm in 5 more. I'll stop it out at 840. In that case, we'll have to be done for the day. Yeah, we did get some volume through. We'll see. I'm getting caught in the breakdown. There's so much volume right here. 57s. If we reclaim 70s, 80s here, I'll probably add and then pull that stop up way tighter. But we gotta reclaim first. This needs to pop through like 75. Hey, sweetie. What are you doing?
What do you think?
It looks good. Give me 1 second. Let me focus on this. No, sweetie. I need to break back through 70 right here. This is so weak right now. This is definitely the last trade of the day if we lose here. It's just... The bias for me is to trade it long because in line with all-time highs, but the intraday sentiment is just been selling all day. And I'm definitely not selling the market with how, you know, I'm just not going to do it. So if the long trades aren't working out, we just need to call it. Wait for a new session. This is the last trade. I'll try to add into it if we reclaim this range and play the upside, but we'll see. Can't even hold low 60s. This is very rough. Oh, this is a good song. Can y'all hear this? What a good song. Trying to catch this reversal. Couldn't be a better song right now.
It's all about the game and how you play it. All about control, and if you can take it, all about your debt. And if you can play it, it's all about pain. And who's gonna make it? I am the game. You don't.
That quick sell 66. This is so heavy still so heavy. Why not scalp some shorts? Because it's all-time high market. I'm just not going to do it. Intraday sentiment has been bearish today, and I'm kind of looking for that to change. But if it doesn't, and even still, there's been opportunities to trade it back to the long side. But yeah, this is brutal. This is probably, I'm just not in line with the market today, which is okay. It happens. Might just have to call it here. Might have to. If we lose this trade, I'll probably be done. Trying to give it some room, because as of now, we haven't really seen the market like completely sell off. It's been a slow grind lower, and we have retraced back into some of these upside levels. So giving it some room here makes sense to me, and we'll just see. We'll just see. But yeah, it's all day. It seems to just have been like a massive bull trap, really. Trying to give it some room, Who is the band? It's Triple H's theme song, man. You don't recognize that? We need 70s. We need fucking 70s. Huge rejection at 67. That looks ugly. Might break lower. Time to play the game. That guy's hilarious. So funny. Bro, get out. Bro, chill out. Chill. Chill. I'll get out if it stops me out. I don't short all-time high markets, Chad. I just don't. I mean, I'm glad it's working out for some of y'all, but it's not usually the best strat. Although it seems to be working pretty well in this market. It almost seems like every time we open up at all-time highs, we dump. It's funny how that works. Just bleeding lower, no buyers anywhere. All right, we're out. Down 1,200 on these accounts. And that's officially it. I mean, I have a lot more drawdown, but I'm not gonna waste it on what is very obviously a bearish day, and there's just no buyers. There's just simply no buyers. Totally bearish. I was kind of looking for that to reverse, the sentiment shift, but can't catch it. So that is it for me, chat. Losing day on both accounts. So 1,200 down on 8 accounts. Live account down 2,800. Rough. Like a dog. Rough, rough, rough. But yeah, I mean, try to give that a little bit of space. We haven't really, I mean, I don't know. We'll see if we go lower than that. I mean, we haven't really like broken down in the session, but we'll see. Trying to kind of catch the longs today. Got my ass kicked. Staying at the lows from previous sessions. Yeah, I mean, I guess we'll see. It's been more or less contained selling, like it's been buying attempts, so I'm kind of interested to see if this 40 level holds, but I'm not going to trade anymore. I'm simply on the wrong side. I'm off sides. Trying to trade the market long. In the context of like the higher time frame, yes, we're in an uptrend, but simply the intraday sentiment today is so bearish. Just can't find buying opportunities, so that's all for me. We're going to eat this loss and come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. Who's Motorhead? Okay, y'all. Oh, yeah, Motorhead. No, it's Triple H. Okay, so guys, yeah, we're out. I did get my Tradeify payout, so that's good. Trying to short yesterday, that's how it is, huh? I would love for us to one day, yeah, open up at the all-time highs, quick little dip, and then we go higher. And we might go higher here, 40s. Like I said, today we haven't really sold off, but, I mean, I have to have my stop somewhere. I can't let this thing fucking free fall, so... My stop was at 48, and we bottom ticked 46, and now we're trying to push 60. I could try to trade it long again. This kind of feels like FOMO, doesn't it? But this does look good coming off the lows. It's a nice 20-point push. I kind of want to. I want to, but I'm not. I don't think. All right, guys, we're out of here, man. L day. I'm gone. I will see y'all tomorrow.